Here is Clark faking the three, tried to bounce it to Boston. Boston goes down, grabbing her right knee after the collision. And Boston clearly in pain as she remains on the floor. And Indiana will take a timeout. Has dealt with that a little bit throughout the season. Absolutely essential to the Indiana Fever. Well, here's Aliyah Boston walking off after it looked like, Rebecca, she just directly bangs that right knee right on the floor.
Yeah, her feet get caught up with Flau'jae Johnson, but the knee, it's encouraging when you see